Hello and welcome to our Dolly Advent collaboration. I'll be opening a surprise gift every day in the lead up to Christmas from either Jay from J Dolls UK, Marna from Dolls Rescued, or Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Please check out their videos today too, as they'll also be opening a gift and it might be from me. Links are in the description. Hi there. Today is the second day of our Advent collab, so let's see what we'll be opening today. Okay, I'll try to choose randomly from in one of the two containers. We go for this one today. I'm gonna go with this. Oh, it's from Marna. It's definitely from Marna with her trademark glitter paper. So let's see what's inside. Okay, what we have are some headbands and they are 3D printed. And I wonder if they're for Blythe or for MIDI. I think for normal, for Blythe. So we have some brightly coloured 3D printed headbands for Blythe. We have pink and orange, blue and grey. So we'll have lots of uses for these for sure. It's always very handy to have some nice hair accessories for Blythe. Oh, they're very good. Oh, and they've got little grippy bits on the inside as well. Well, I'll be sure and take some nice pictures of those for you to see in detail. Thank you so much, Marna, for this, and thank you for watching. Please leave a like and a comment and let me know what you thought of today's gift. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.